Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video we're going to take a look at this Mercedes Benz 230E that's made in the 1/18 scale by Revell. So, if you like Mercedes cars, don't miss a second of this video. We're going to take a full look at this car. So let's unbox it and take a better look at it. So here we have the Mercedes. It's already unboxed. Revell hasn't really informed the year of this car, but I think it's 1985. I'm not quite sure of it. One thing I like about those Mercedes cars is the lines these cars have. They are real classics. So I like the way this front looks. I like the way this model car was made. Windshield wipers are very well taken care of, as well as the windshield, the dashboard, those air intakes, the front grille. It's not actually a grille, but the mash is pretty much correct, and very characteristics of the Mercedes cars. The headlights and the blinkers, which are very realistic, just like the bumpers. And as we pop the hood open, we can see this very nice looking engine, which seems to be a straight 6. Now, we can see the air filter, the cables and wires, the battery, the brake system, the engine bay, the radiator. So all the details are supposed to be in here, are here actually, and very well taken care of. Hood opens and closes correctly. One thing that's very nice about this car is, despite it doesn't have any many opening features because it only has opening hood and front doors, we can see that all details were very taken care of. This car would be much more pleasant if it had all 4 doors and trunk lid opening as well. But anyway, let's take a look at the interior. Interior made in a brown leather with it's all made in plastic, but with different textures. We can see the central console, which is in black, the dashboard, the Mercedes dashboard, that looks very nice. Door panels, doors open and close correctly. There is no headliner. There's a sunroof here that's actually just cast in metal, but it's fixed actually. And we have this protection here against water entrance in rainy days. We can see the back seat, the rear deck, which are pretty much correct. The trim around the window, the back window, which is correct and very well made, very well taken care of. The transparency of this glass is amazing. The tail lights are very realistic, as well as this emblem and then this Mercedes Benz star right here in the trunk lid. The trunk lock and the rear license plate with the German style anyway. By the way, this car is made by the German division of Revell, so it's a division that basically does German cars. Wheels and tires with those wheel covers in the car color and the Mercedes symbol right here in the center, just like the other Mercedes I've shown before. And as we open the driver's door, which opens and closes correctly as well, we can see the dashboard, the pedals, so it's a mechanical transmission. We can see the old gauges, which are actually stickers, but very well made stickers anyway. The steering wheel that steers with the wheels. They don't. It doesn't steer that much, but it does steer actually. And as we look at the bottom of the car, we can see it's pretty much clean, just like the other Mercedes we've seen before. It's a single exhaust. As we can see, there's a catalytic converter and exhaust manifold, the engine and tranny right here, which are very realistic. The steering system, the suspensions, which are not actually working suspensions, but they do simulate very well. The structure of a car is a unibody, as we can see, a spare tire compartment, a muffler, the wheels and tires, and all details that are very well made in this car. So this is a very nice car for those who appreciate die-cast Mercedes cars. So I really recommend this car. And from 0 to 10, I would give this car a 9.5 actually. I just wouldn't give it a 10 because it doesn't have rear opening doors and the opening trunk lid. But the car itself, it's so well made, it's so well taken care of. I really think it's worth having in the collection, and it's a very nice car made in the 1/18 scale. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your like and your comments below, and as usual, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.